Guys, so today we are going to be creating this eye look. I am going to be using the Mitchell palette. That palette is like my absolute favourite just now, and I did tell you guys I'm going to be playing about with this a lot more. This look was inspired by the beautiful, wait till I get her name, I think it's Adele Nealis. That's her page there, like that's the look there, absolutely stunning, heavily inspired by her. Also the little fish emoji, so true. These colours do actually look like that, so yeah, all credit goes to her. This is the look that we are going to be creating today. So if you guys want to know how I created this, then just keep on watching. I seen this look on, I think it was on the Pale-Aways takeover on Facebook. So we're going to try and recreate this because I was super inspired by her. I've read a bit ahead and I've done this eye, guys, just to make it a wee bit quicker. I still have the giveaway going, guys, if you do want to go and enter. I'll leave a little link above here for you guys. Yeah, we're just going to get into this and I'll show you guys what I've done. I've actually put my little sort of wind muff, don't know if you guys can tell a difference, on my mic, because I was noticing whenever I was like editing and stuff that it was very sort of like there was loads of background noise. I've decided to put that on to see if it will help. Just like draw the audio a wee bit closer or something. So the first product that I'm going to use is my Pale-Aways base. You guys know I love this. I have this in shade Rumour 0.5. I actually think this does the job for every sort of look that I've done so far. I absolutely love this base. I have been using it for ages now. I don't know why, but I just like to put it down with like a flat brush and then go in with like a much fluffier brush and pat it all out. I haven't actually sat down and done like another sort of just creative makeup look in about 2 weeks now, so I had to come back up here and just try and get my creative juices flowing again. I'm seeing so many people's amazing work all over Instagram and stuff. If you are not following me on Instagram, I will leave it on the screen here. I'll also leave it linked in the description. Please do go follow me. My eye's watering so much. This eye has been super watery like all night. So I'm just going to zoom you guys a little bit. So first colour that we are going in with is the shade Mist in the Mitchell palette. I must think I am just obsessed with this colour scheme right now, but I kinda am. I've got like blue green hair. I've just been like loving these colours. Everything I do right now just seems to be blue, green, something kind of tropical looking. I'm planning on drawing the giveaway winner possibly on my birthday, which is the 10th of June. I also have a very big birthday present coming. I have the new MacBook Pro 2020 coming, which I am super excited about, guys, like beyond belief. Aaron's actually decided that that's what he's going to get me for my birthday because I just moaned all the time every time it came to editing. Like, I love filming and I love editing, but I have been using a MacBook Pro from 2020, no 2020. I've been using a MacBook Pro from 2012. So it's really slow, it's really laggy, it's like needing loads and loads of updates. It's not really got great memory either, so Aaron has went and ordered me a MacBook Pro. I'm trying to keep myself occupied, I'm watching all the unboxing videos, I'm doing things like that, just because I am going crazy, like I'm so excited. Sorry guys, I'm not even talking about the colours that I'm using. This green is Shmoney and the yellow is Manchester. If you guys want me to, I'll come on and do an unboxing. I actually found some of the unboxings really helpful for me, so I might just do it anyway. Went and purchased like a new case and stuff for it too, just to keep it all like sort of tidy and like cute and stuff. Oh, I think I went too high with that crap. This is what I get for chatting and trying to do my makeup at the same time. Just coming that shade Manchester again, which is the yellow shade. I'm also thinking about ordering some of the new XX Revolution stuff. Some of the stuff looks really good, so I'm tempted to go ahead and order some of that. I'm not going to be ordering one of everything, I'm just going to order the stuff I think I'll play with and that I'll actually use. But I definitely want to try out the foundation, the concealers and the, I think it's like the eye foils or something. The dual chrome ones. I want to try them. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Moody Mitch now, and I'm basically just darkening up the outer crease. And I'm kind of doing like that sort of oval shape like just kind of bringing it round a little bit. I hope this mic's okay. Let me know what you guys think. Do you hear a difference in the mic? Or do you think it's just the same? So I'm just building up these colours, guys. I'm not doing anything crazy. Trying to see if that's about even. I think it is. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do like this little white bit now. I did actually go in with the Revolution Pro pomade, is a pigment pomade in the shade white. Going with Pale Away's base. And then once I had that, I just went in with a little pencil brush, got a white eyeshadow, and I just kind of set it. Right, then I'm just going to go in with that blue shade, Mist, and I'm not taking much on it, but I'm just diffusing the edge of that a little bit. And pretty much darken up that outer crease again. And I'm just going to add some lashes. The lashes that I'm using again are my own style in shade Pretty. It should be up on Depop hopefully soon. I keep on saying that, guys, but I really need to crack on and do the stickers for them. The motivation is just not always there. This is just the Primark 3D fibre effect, I think it is. No, 3D lash effect. Right, I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see how I apply these lashes. Just wait till it's darky, then I just get as close to my lash line as I possibly can. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the black and I'm just going to lower my lash line. That is the eyes basically done. I am going to go in with the shade Melted in the Mitchell palette, which is like a yellow gold. I'll swatch it here for you guys. So it's like that yellow gold. I'm going to put that in my inner corner, but I'm just going to go ahead and throw in my base foundation and stuff and a little bit of contour. And then I'll come back when I am doing the rest of my eyes. Right, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys can actually see what my eyes turned out like. I've just went ahead and done like underneath and all that. I've just went ahead and basically just done like my lip gloss and stuff in my face. I've actually forgot highlighter, so I'm just going to put that on just now. This is this eye look. I hope you guys like it. Something a little bit more sort of colourful and fun. Hope you guys like it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, all the usual jazz, and I shall see you guys in my next video.